Young will be a car by and so and Fabra Benagid so the Beatrice can say for the love of the game. I say on subscribe to the channel, not making sure to subscribe, no notification bell so the be app that Benagid baby on Subina here on YouTube, no the Yanama and it's equal. Generally, Bosman Bonavi, Ghana, Premier League, and Mrantia Duba combo more in the month of January, no, the Honsam and Sueba, we are Benagid team of the month. The Eba, Sansma, transfer deadline with Europe, no, Abanavi, Ghanaian players are about to make him move, and so from Timokosi Academy team for no, the Honsam and Sueba here on Benagid team, but Tamukuchu, Nafi, Eden Sansano, and so at the Abram Kumata Santa Kotoko, a supporters player of the month, Mante Bain, and Ejinawa, Nafiatuaba, and so at Amomosa, and so, and a Hasselfolk camp, and Semele Froba, Patrick Alote, boxer. When you are branching a friend now, and Sukunya, a year, maintain once, Emma branch friend Patrick Alticoton and Zap, oh, a grass potted, no, Yatis or Mochel, Penefoso, Argentine Biola, Nina, at the Huns and some, and by here on Benagid, Messay, so on subscribe, you make yourself subscribe to the channel. Now, for notification bell, so there be a Abu Benagid baby, one Subina be a share, now if you want to Hunima, a cost one Ghana, Yen Premier League, nothing Ghana, Yen football, and Tia shots here, and from free a Ghana Premier League team of January. So what I said, team of the month of January. And no one above one idea, but my man can do back quiet. So some bomb more than year power. And so in the month of January, and the more respective clubs. So what I say, money above one, yeah, they bring a manager of the month of January. So yeah, they also want some and so Atuga. Now if you want more the year, no matter and so see call on Ghana, Yen Premier League in NTN. Yes, shots here, they are near shots here at a free yen goalkeeper, Ghana yen Premier League goalkeeper of the month of January. A Abrantia, your friend Danlad, Ibrahim Usinakan, and my Brekum Church, Abranti, Kumasa, Santo player, and it's not from Brekum Church or Quero or born homewarding. Games were born the month of January, no, it was Abranti and born homewarding because no has to focus on games in him, no Kumasa, Santo no Diana Stars, no Ashgood, you now, Jim born homewarding, Ashgood game, no, and some I would my consider. Or 5 games persistently, consecutively, no to concede go into Danlad Ibrahim and so a goalkeeper of the month of January and the air to money and so would murder so you're right back no and so I call Eddie Amar Branch friend Isaac Kwan, a former Carolina United player, so Sinakan at the Diana Stars or no Eddie player and as a right fullback of the month of January no and so I call Eddie Amar Branch and I'm a Branch no. Born home at the Diana Stars or Bakumata Santa Kotoko, a be justified but now Kumasina, then some benevolent months and a Brantana Brantiano, Akopim and so Diana or born home yipa and so the Matima, your friend at Diana Stars and Toronto and a yen bright back of the month of January. Yen left back near Brantia fan of Volk or Sinakai and the Accra has folk on the giant left back home, night for Tunoma and so Diana Brantam so born home in the month of January, Siakan at the Martina fan Accra folk. And the modern money swani into an unsoon left back now for an abo at the Ama yen team of the month of January. Yen center backs no air call at the Ama Brekum Chelsea central panel a yes Zakaria Fuseni and after a bunch of Ahmed Adams winning Manti Minua or Mutina yen center backs no now for Matia Kind and so at the Ama yen team of the month of January no into no any actual on Zakaria Fuseni and after a bunch of friend Ahmed Adams or name money affairs for team friend Brekum Chelsea not how money and so our team to more and yen center backs of the month of January the air to money and so our Benak G so yen fifi hono and ranting me one day team no ye bo 442 into yen fifi for this be nipa mienu and nipa mienu mo gina fifi for dem aye no Abrante from Justice Play of Kumasi Asante Kotoko a medium player or no and so agent and fifi and hunting simpi about sika team my friend medium so mu hia and sa no moja Abrante amana ko sia kan de makra Asante Kotoko permanently no in night and hunting and eba nemu team of the month of January no o gina fifi ho and so e dem and sounds na Abrante friend of Buadu Agadas or no Sinaka de Ma Media Mabokuno or no age them nafi was Sia kindly in our team of the month of January because I want to in 6 games in the month of January no or share about Tia House of Folk ma team a friend no Mediama di nkunim obotia eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko omudi nkunim bosan botia team a friend no eye Ashgrom san di nkunim timo so gina finfio no keep it normal take ade ma team a friend no eye Mediama na eto so nso ba ye team of the month of January team finfio no Justice Blay and Richard Boadu ne gina ye finfio enso ade amayen ye bo 442 enti ye white Medforders no ebe ya Abrantia your friend of Victorian Adebayo Tina kind of internalize or no and to age them now for no so a boy team of the month of June maybe so about give now if you about 5 goals and so in the month of June or non so a ball in team maybe and so so na Abrantia your friend of Prince Kwabnadu on Tina kind of be United and also age them our team of the month of June no so Asia kind and so ebi and so sounds na Prince Opoku Ajman for Mediama and also in team of the month of January or so ejam na fe Abante fan Yaya Mohammed or so watch 6 goals in this season's Premier League January or so ejam na for to number and so the team of the month of January for Bernard GT to win him rant here di bakwa is to say in the month of January omo bom modern pa yi ntia 442 formation and ayebo Abante fan Danlad Ibrahim Bejina posting as a quan airboard the right fullback left back in your Volk and so now Ahmed Adams na visa career for Seni and so ejina chiro the man Justice Blay of Kumasi Asante Kotoko Abante your friend Richard Boadu of Mediama sounds na Abante friend Victorian Adebayo Inter Allies Prince Kwabnadu became United Abante friend Prince Opoku Ajman Mediama na Yaya Mohammed of Diana Stars omo and ejina team name and so Ediaman sounds in coach of the month of January Asaribidiakon of Brekum Chelsea Urano and so Abon Homodin you games our boy in the month of January you start the league now but Bon Homodin or Basha Crafts Folk or Kumasi Asante Kotoko was share as good was asking to friend Diana Stars and so about drop into Urano and so Bon Homodin in coach of the month of January to win any team of the month of January in the Ghana Premier League and Rantia more Bon Homodin Yipa in the month of January in Ghana in Premier League and the Huns and Tem and so Eltumanim and so Jumadi so one say na me de tu say we in teams ni no Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo team no omo enso asofleship players ni ensa so say in the month of January no omo bo omo modern a example for where na for omo to omo so aba na for me ba kwa ono and be the player of the month of January and so into Abrantia your friend Justice Blay Awusi akan o team of the month of January Abrantia and so account the sounds na Abrantia your friend Emmanuel Jemfi o kan ho bi na afi Abrantia friend Christopher Netti on your right full back e ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko we ne Rantia mi ensa empani for you say supporters ni to so aba e o Kotoko Express app no so na afi o so ni baako na mo mfa award no and so emfa manemu nipa o lead no Justice Blay ono and they lead with some 222 votes or so Abrantia no and so na LED and so ho in the supporters play of the month no and so about the friend Joseph Eso Sinaka de ma Accra Folk once against Accra Kumasi Asante Kotoko Sunday Abante near injury crazy or afraid that game has to twa dream service e oda no run so betima call na for no to akakosi aka ni bi e da matima your friend Accra Heart Folk we so ne ntema floor by the air tumanim and so e wo dwumadie no so a e de hon MP and so to da nemom on say e beto to dwa say Justice Blay aka kire media mampanin for say be ya ankomunya no na nka onsi aka permanently and fama Kumasi Asante Kotoko bubu ko ne no e na media mampanin for say oh asema wo kan de no ya adwen na ye no ya adwen na say Kumasi Asante Kotoko so mo pew na say wo once what wonu tu na waka de a ka kire Kumasi Asante Kotoko say omuntua $80,000 and send it to Jao. Now, if you want to acquire Wakakusia kind and so Eddie Abom, let's say $80,000 na chino friend mediama and $80,000 no. So the bagana second one I say and yabete $80,000 and a team friend mediama and so mope and so my Justice Blay. Manaba Besia kind and so the Matima, your friend Kumasi Asante Kotoko permanent. National so say gamer and I say bow Bamono a loan and our body mom is a mope and a crack number some ton. Now for be a bona fide property of Kumasi Asante Kotoko and no some coffee out $80,000. And so my job antino no baby sia kind and so Eddie Abom transfer the line day no Europe no and about so near the last hour transfer last one upon a week transfer Jimmy transfer no really na and trouble a week na Ghana and players no need to me if from clubs in different clubs so Mukakusia kind and so Eddie among saying this here about the friend Albert Adoma and so if not young for us call Akusia kind of Cardiff City alone and walk till the end of the season Okusia kind and so Eddie among sounds like Kelvin Prince Boateng and so every team of Florentina and then ends watching more tech Kusia kind of my best that way so loan oko na for so akọ akosi akan enso edi amom abrante friend Tariq Lamptey or English born Ghanaian defender team friend Chelsea against Arsenal or abra Chelsea or Emirates tete kano from a goal down abecho 2-1 no we friend Frank James Lampard abrante bam to me see akan so abrante saying wabuna kitimen so the free Chelsea Brighton and Hove Albion and I could see a kind of where permanent deal now Branton Echo, now I could see a kind and so and I'm Brighton Bobo Kun and so a Branton friend Ismayati and so Fritima, a friend KPV Coca-Cola and so our Finland they could see a kind and I'm a Saudi Arabia team friend Hatton FC, a free move na Brantano and so I was and so na Christian the teacher Sam in an entire Celtic course and going free Newcastle now Messi a kind and from Mossy there be England there and the real friend Steve Bruce and so man no untimi enya ho nti project ya present man ed what that was e dey abapa ba into was what talk so atna Newcastle bobu konim na afi wasi akan and so the man Newcastle bobu kon sans na Ghana ye na brantia if an Alfred Duncan and so mu na ketem for US Sassuolo and so na ni chiremu so e wa Fiorentina as a Kevin Prince Boateng free Fiorentina no na it's a brantia friend Alfred Duncan and so akoshima nine kama and so why they air too many and so would wedding so ha and it is muddy and to ever see me dean banding the cube jumpy with me our friend Ricardo in fact make sure so subscribe to the channel now if you notification bell on so tell be abile biambia on so unsa e be can we Bernard GH on YouTube Ghana in football no sensem and then team of the month of January Ghana in players abroad or more transfer home deadline day no or make movements to see academy team for no and they don't sensem and so to da and so the amount make sure so subscribe now for notification bell and so be app Bernard GH be bia on so be share now if you so who the equals for Ghana in football name na wa like video no na wa share ma onya enso anya bia hwe next time you be share on Bernard GH make sure so subscribe to Bernard GH show you be share the next episode of Bernard GH on Ghana in sports Ghana in football no something in the